Ayan guys, good morning!
What's up? Good morning!
Happy Sunday sa lahat!
Let's go!
And nasa Wisconsin pa rin kami guys. And last day na namin dito sa Wisconsin. And naka-check out na kami sa hotel. Maaga yung check out namin, 10 a.m. And we're going to eat muna sa isang diner breakfast dito. And then, ayun, after that, mag-explore pa kami ng Wisconsin Dells. So marami pa kaming pwedeng puntahan. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong plano. Kasi kami kung ano lang yung magustuhan namin at the moment, yun yung ginagawa namin. Ayan guys, so dito na kami sa Denny's.
Actually parang all design yung ano niya.
This is like a classic Denny's style na restaurant. Usually yung mga Denny's dito medyo modern style. So this is their classic diner. And ayan, nag-order na kami, mostly pancakes and what you call it, breakfast. Yeah, let's eat. And guys, dessert kamusta?
Good.
Ha? Brownies na may ice cream. Ha?
Ha?
Brownies na may ice cream.
Hindi masyado matamis.
Yeah. How's the breakfast, Claire? Good. Yeah, solved guys. Sulit ang paghihintay. Yeah. Sugar overload. Sugar overload. See? This is classic diner feels. So ayan guys, we're done at Denny's. Tapos we're here at the House of Cheese. Ano nga ba yung name niya? Ito tuloy. Mali pala. Market Square Cheese. Market Square Cheese. Ayan guys. So we're here and ayan, entrance. Mouse with cheese. Ayan. Hello, Jello. Welcome. Hi to the vlog. Yeah, pasok tayo. Tignan natin yung loob ng cheese factory nila. Kamusta?
Gusto niyo ito, cheese?
Yeah. Hindi naman cheese yan. Syrup yan.
Ito, cheese. Gusto niyo? From Door County. Ay, coffee.
Coffee naman yan.
Eh, pala ito. Cheese.
Paliw ka. Ayun guys, ang kulit ng kasama ko eh. Kulit ni Judge eh. Yan guys, iba-ibang cheese. Ooh. Guys, if you're a cheese lover, Wisconsin is the place to go. You see? Proudly Cheese Wisconsin. Look at that! Inside, there's like big ones, like wheels. Sir, ano po bang makare-recommend nyo dito? Ha?
Ito, may map.
Yun, no? Ayun. Map. What's that? Oh, that's nice. Yeah, see, map ng Wisconsin and then may cow din. Okay.
Ibang flavor ng cheese, guys. Sriracha cheese.
Sriracha.
Manghang to, ibig sabihin, no?
Oo. Galing, no? Parang nalagyan nila ng flavor yung mga cheese dito.
Ito, original. Alam mo sa mga movie.
Yeah.
Yan, no? Diba?
Oh, naalala mo yung Dad?
Nasa Ratatouille.
I'm not sure if it's not Walking Dead. The one yung with the zombie.
Yung zombie. Yung
They
comedy.
they have like one episode that they went to Wisconsin and then they have like a big meron silang malaking roll or round ng cheese. Yeah, and what's this?
Cheese na may meat.
Oh, nice. Right, they have jewelries here too. Yeah. What is it? What is that, Juliet? Jewelries. Good. Yeah. Wow, those are fancy ones. Which one do you like?
Which one do I like?
Yeah, which one? This is pretty. Would you like this one? No, this is earrings. Look, oh, Juliet. Oh. You like this?
Yeah.
Would you like that?
I like these ones too.
Which one?
But I can't wear them. They're too big for me.
Yeah, they're too big.
They're the only.
These were good.
Wait, what are some necklaces?
Necklace? Do you love necklace? This one is good.
Ang gandang mga souvenir to, knife. $14 lang, oh. Ayan, pang unboxing. Customize. Ayan. Usually kasi ang Wisconsin is ano sa camping. So, ayan. Mga knife, hunting knife, and utility knife. Yan. Mga ano dito sa Wisconsin Dells. Let's go. May mga souvenirs dito. Update na later. See ya.
Ayun guys, tapos na tayo sa Market Square Cheese. We're planning to go sa premium outlet doon. So, ayan, abangan nyo guys. Baka mabudol na naman ako. We'll see. Tingnan natin kung ano yung itsura ng premium outlet dito sa Wisconsin Dells. So, let's go! Ayan na guys! Hello! Welcome back to Andrea Judge TV. And ayan, look at that! Woohoo! Ano yan guys? Yan yung outlets in the Dells. Tama ba? Or mali?
Yeah.
Ayan na guys! Ito yung outlet at the Dells pala. Mali na naman yung grammar. Ano ba yan? So ayan. Nandito kami ngayon. So, yung premium outlet nila dito is open area din. And then may each booth din. So, yeah. Tignan natin kung ano mga store na nandito sa outlet at the Dells. Let's go! Outlet at the Dells. Ang dami. Adidas. What are you gonna get, Claire?
I don't know.
How about you, Dad?
Watch.
No, no, no. And guys, may malaking school bus dito sa loob ng outlet. Kasi malapit na ang school. So, ayan, may Columbia clearance store. Clearance up to 70% off. And they have Gap Outlet, Ulta Beauty, Michael Kors over there. Oh, Michael Kors. Let's see. Under Armour.
Huh?
No. Under Armour. Let's see. They have, ayan yung itsura ng outlet nila dito. Isang malaking, ano lang siya, big, parang mall. And then, may mga sariling stores sila. 50% entire store, guys. So, ayan, may sinasabi si Jedge. Magpasok sa school. You have Hot Topic here. Would you like to check Hot Topic, Beth? No? Buy 2, get 1 free, entire store. And they have Famous Footwear. Ano pa? Ano to? Hindi ko alam. Anong tawag dito? Eddie Bauer. Eddie Bauer store. Everything on sale, 50% off. They have Nike Factory here. Let's see. Ano makikita sa Nike Factory? Nung before kami mag-Florida, guys, sa Gurney, ay sa ano pala, Chicago Premium Outlet, meron kaming nabiling shoes. Like, $20 lang. So, nagamit ko yun sa Florida. Yan. Let's see.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. So they have graphic tees. 2 for $30. There we go. See? Just do it. I like this one. 2 for $30. Are you checking on something, sir? Ano gusto mo, sir?
Penny.
Huh?
Guys, Penny Hardaway. Look at this.
Ano yan?
Penny Hardaway.
Si Penny Hardaway. Yan.
Also Air Max.
Air Max.
Air.
Air?
Up tempo.
Ano daw?
Up tempo.
Up tempo. So, ayan guys. May nakita siya. Ano yan, Dad?
Jason Tatum. JT1.
JT1.
Jason Tatum 1. Jordan shoes.
Oh, wow. That looks good.
Jason Tatum 1. Yan. Jordan shoes na ano.
Jason Tatum. Wow.
Kulit ng kulay yun.
Champion siya, di ba?
Ganda.
That's nice. Ay, gusto ko yung design niya. Magkano?
Ako mo kung ano eh. Kung naka-sale, 120.
120.
Hindi ko lang kung sale ko.
I don't think they have a sale sa rack na to.
Hindi. 40% off entire the wall.
Entire wall.
So parang mga 80% na. Ay,
$80 na lang. Not bad. Yan guys. Itatry niya ang Jason Tatum 1. Let's go.
Dito may libre guys na ano.
Socks. Siyempre, yung mga walang suot na socks. There you go. Just trying it. Yan na. Umpisa na guys.
Since they're on clearance, it'll be 40% off whatever the sticker.
Yan o. Sukat lang. Count sa sir.
Okay naman. Pero parang
Just probably got mixed in with the different.
Sorry. What do you like?
titingin pa tayo.
Mukhang hindi satisfied. Guys, ito naman yung mga pang babae. Yung biggest size 12, I guess. And yan, yung sa clearance rack nila. They have also like the yung regular shoes. So yan, yung mga prices guys. Additional 40% off. So if the price is like $80, $50 na lang babayaran mo. So yeah, good deal. Nice. Ayan guys.
Isa lang kasi guys
nakalabas ako ng Nike factory.
Ayoko ng kulay. Ganda sana eh. Sulit na sana. Jason Tatum na Jordan shoes.
Yeah, wala ka pa ng Jason Tatum, diba?
Tapos ano, ang ganda ng kulay sa ano. Anahiling niya. Kaso, ano kasi, isa lang eh. Kung dalawa sana, sayang 71 na lang sana.
Ano ba yung isa, dalawa sana?
Yung relo. Titingin mo lang sa relo.
May usapan kasi kami, isa lang daw eh.
Ang bibilin muna namin is yung shoes ni Claire.
Yeah, check kami sa Converse kasi gusto ni Claire ng Converse shoes. Dahil yung kanyang high cut na Converse. What happened to your high cut?
They got burned.
They got burned. Yung nag-camping kami, pinapatuyo ko yung shoes niya malapit dun sa fire pit. Ano, nagkaroon ng stain. So, yun. We'll see kung makahanap si Claire na Converse. Love you, ate. See, ayan guys. They're making fudge. Look at that. Hi! Yeah! Say hi! It's good. Look at that. They're making a fudge ice cream. No, wow. I'm gonna go inside. Hello. It's a DJI Osmo. It's a pocket. It's a small one.
Does it have good quality?
Yes, this is a vlogging camera.
More one from Miami. This nice, eh?
Hi.
Welcome to the fudgery.
Yes, hi.
Welcome to the fudgery.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Cherish.
Cherish.
Brianna.
Brianna. Thank you. Welcome. We
What's
have
your
a channel.
name? Pocket Tree.
Yeah, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is nice. Thank you. So, ayun na. Tapos na tayo dun sa Pudgery, Bath and Body Works. Meron sila dito. Crocs. They have drink with Wisconsin Blue. Yeah. They have Children's Place. Sticky Situations. And dito na tayo guys sa Adidas. They have get additional $10 off when you spend $75, $100, and $150. Let's go. Ito na may tsura ng Adidas store here. There you go. Training, running shoes. They have these store-wide 50% off. There you go. Sports bras, $20. There you go. So 50% off. And then you're gonna have additional $10 off pag $75 and above. Pag $15 off pag 100, and then 150, $25 off. Good deal na din. Kaya gustong-gusto ko mag-shopping dito sa Adidas. And I mean, not only in Adidas, sa lahat ng outlet store. Kasi they have good deals. So yeah, check natin dito. Yan, tumitingin si Claire ng shoes. Adidas shoes. These are for boys. May nakikita ka? Sino ang mga players ng Adidas?
Si Anthony Edwards, Damian Lillard. Ito, Damian Lillard, 8, guys.
Damian Lillard,
Pero
8.
hindi siya nakasale eh, $130.
$130.
Pero ewan ko ano yung sinabi dun sa harap.
Damian Lillard. Hindi ko nakita eh.
Yung $10
No, if you spend something...
Ito, Dame Dollar, 7.
Yeah, they have an additional 50%
Atlanta
off.
Hawks.
Yan.
Trae Young.
Trae Young.
Yeah, sapatos si Trae Young.
Ganda.
Trae Young.
Color blue.
Donovan Mitchell.
Donovan Mitchell.
Spider.
That looks good.
So, 50,
Color
so 60
green.
na lang siya guys. 50% off.
Ano ito?
Mga NMD shoes.
NMD. Hindi ba nagkaroon ako? So, malaki lang kasi yung nakuha kong NMD. Yeah. So, sobrang comfy. And guys, waiting na. Tapos na kami guys. Wala kami nabili. Wala kami nabili. Ayun. Oh, there's an elephant. Sabi niya, elephant. Yay! How about what is the next one? That's a pig. A pig. It's an elephant. Yeah, I heard that. He's good, Papa. Ako, wala akong nabili, guys. Hindi ako talaga mahilig magbili ng mga stuff. So, ayun. Masaya na ako na makita yung mga stores and yan, pag sila nakakabili ng mga gamit. Ayan. Guys, dito ko na tatapusin ang ating vlog. Si Judge nag-CR. And ayun, uwi na kami sa Chicago, 3 hours drive from here at Wisconsin Dells. Salamat ulit sa pagsama sa aming vlog. And thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless everyone. And stay safe. Bye!